Traffic's going to be moving slower near the banks this morning, but what crews are doing now will probably bring a lot more people downtown in our future. WLWT News 5's Richard Childs is live for us downtown with what's being done to become one step closer to finishing the next phase of the banks. Hey, Richard.
Jonathan, good morning. I've been talking to construction managers down here. They're anticipating this pour to last for another hour or so. You get an idea of how long these guys have been working on what's called phase 2 of the bank's retail development. Going to see retail going on the lower levels and 300 apartment units spanning the upper decks of this development. It's going to be a fantastic, of course, signature building here in downtown Cincinnati as we go into phase 2 of this bank's development. Also along the riverfront, of course, another crown jewel in the Queen City's crown. Fantastic opportunity to see developments happening here at Smale Riverfront Park. Certainly one that we are going to be all anxious to see as part of Cincinnati's front yard.
But your name will be in an etched fashion on the wall, and it's a very popular thing right now because people want to give it in memory of, in honor of people, or as a Christmas present.
Now that wall, again, an opportunity for you to be a part of this bank's development. It's a glass wall, a fundraiser, a lot like folks are signing their names in bricks. One of the signature pieces of this spectacular park is going to be an event center, 350-seat event center, and of course that carousel. And I am looking, of course, like everyone, very forward to getting a chance to getting one of the first rides, Jonathan.